Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Explorer sunroof. This process is crucial if your sunroof isn't opening, closing, or responding correctly. Often, issues arise after a battery change or a power interruption. Before starting, make sure your vehicle is in park, the engine is running, and all doors are closed. This ensures a stable power supply for the reset procedure. Now let's perform the reset. First, ensure your sunroof is fully closed. Then press and hold the sunroof's close button. Keep holding it for about 10 to 20 seconds. You should see the sunroof open fully, then close, and possibly vent before returning to the closed position. This full cycle indicates the system is recalibrating. Once it stops moving, you can release the button. If your sunroof still isn't working after the reset, don't worry, there are a few things to check. First, carefully inspect the sunroof track for any debris, like leaves or small stones, that might be blocking its movement. A dirty track can prevent proper operation. Also, consider checking your vehicle's fuse box to ensure the sunroof fuse is intact and not blown. A faulty fuse can easily interrupt power. To prevent future sunroof issues, regular maintenance is key. Keep the seals and tracks clean from dirt and debris, which can hinder smooth operation. Applying a silicone-based lubricant to the moving parts every few months will also help maintain its functionality. And speaking of enhancing your space, if you're looking to bring your home to life with smart technology, check out the link in the description for deals on smart speakers and other great products. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.